Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best fishing rods that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rod. And finally, we bring you the best telescopic fishing rod that has been designed to provide you the best experience of fishing. Hundreds of customers were satisfied and happy with their purchase of this telescopic fishing rod. There are multiple lengths available from 1.8 meters to 3.4 meters. That means that it is the right one for beginners, intermediates, and even the professionals. Perfect elasticity, high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass makes your fishing pole hard and durable. Stainless steel hooded reel seat is anti-seawater corrosion, EVA 4 grip for comfort. The telescopic fishing rod is portable, and closed-length design is convenient carrying around. Power, medium, extended handle. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Sugailong Spinning Telescopic Fishing Rod Graphite Carbon Fiber. This is a great telescopic fishing rod that can be easily carried anywhere. It is compact, portable, and has a good design. Made with carbon fiber and e-glass composite, it is strong and flexible. You can easily catch a 10 to 15 pounds fish with this rod. The exquisite reel seat manufactured with corrosion-resistant CNC machined aluminum so that you can have this last for a long time. The exquisite reel seat is made of corrosion-resistant CNC machined aluminum for years of worry-free fishing. 3-point welded stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts for use with braided or mono fishing line and providing saltwater-approved corrosion-resistant and power control. At number 3, we have the Sugailong Fishing Rod Reel Combos Carbon Telescopic Fishing Rod. The rod length varies from 6 feet to almost 12 feet. Such a good telescoping fishing rod length is barely seen in the market, which is why we got this one at number 3. It has been crafted out of 99% carbon body along with a carbon fiber mix, which makes it strong yet flexible. There is a fully adjustable cast control with rotary switches that makes it better than others. Fishing reel Sugailong WQ fishing reel with CNC machine cut collapsible handle, left, right interchangeable. The rod import adjustable full metal screw reel seat, have 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 series, 13+1 pieces of ball bearing plus one-way clutch, gear ratio 5.2, 5.1, 1. Fully adjustable cast control with rotary switches. Aluminum spool with high tensile gear. Excellent line lay oscillation system. Ultra-thin streamline designed body. At number 2, we have the Sugailong Telescopic Graphite Carbon Fiber Spinning Portable. On number 4, we have an amazing portable telescopic fishing rod. This is portable and very easy to use. There are multiple sizes available which range from 1.3 meters to 2.4 meters. That makes it available for both beginners as well as the pros. Being made with carbon fiber, it displays the ultimate strength and flexibility while you are in the waters. The best part is that you can use it in salt water as well, as it is resistant. The fishing rod adopted carbon material with light weight and reliable quality, perfect elasticity, high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass and stainless steel material make your fishing pole hard and durable. 3-point welded stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts for use with braided or mono fishing line and providing saltwater-approved corrosion-resistant and power control. And finally, at number 1, we have the PLUSINNO Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Full Kit. Rated as the 11th in rod and reel combos at Amazon, this is yet another great one which is recommended by many experts as well. It comes in different types of sizes and designs which vary from 1.7 and 3 meters. This is the entire kit which you would be requiring for the perfect fishing trip. With carbon fiber and fiberglass being mixed, this telescopic fishing rod becomes the right choice for many. The best part is the fact that you get a 12-month warranty as well. Perfect elasticity, high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass make your fishing pole hard and durable. Stainless steel hooded reel seats is anti-seawater corrosion, EVA 4 grip for comfort. The telescopic fishing rod is portable, and closed-length design is convenient carrying around. Power, medium, extended handle. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.